Machiegni ya Ramogi jonge weche mag tuke midhiambo makawuono. Nyinga en James Opondo. Jatend migao mar tuke Ababu na Mwamba kacheli governor ma county ma Uasin Gishu Jonathan B notimo limbe ma apoya e lap ma Kipchoge Keino ma gedo mare osebedo kadhi nyime e county no kano wuoyo gi jofwambo bang' wuoth e labno na Mwamba onyiso bwok mare kaka gedo mar paw no timore mos kolero ni jago mane omiyo raka mar gedo nyaka tim mapiyo mondo otiek gedo no. Bende nolero ni nonro onego tim kaka omenda osetiyo e gedo mar paw no korka kore to governor ma Uasin Gishu B nowacho ni gedo mamos mar paw no osemayo jotugo ma county no thuolo mar tiyo gi paw no ka jochulo suru ema koro winjo matek bang' labno monyo pesa mathoth modhuro nyaka ne chak gedo mare.
Yeah, but this stadium is too important. This is a very important facility. This is Eldoret. This is the heart. This is the home of champions.
I think it is appalling that having spent a lot of money here and there is nothing to show. For every project to start, it has a plan to complete. So I think, like Wasiri has said, we will plan and we have to start again because we can't wait anymore. The contractor should be answerable because if we don't do a serious audit, some wastage is sure that it has been done here, and we really need to be very careful.
While visiting Kinoru Stadium 2 weeks ago, I ordered an audit of all these facilities. The state of Kipchoge Keino right now tells me that that audit is even more urgent. And at the conclusion of that audit, we are going to know exactly how much money was spent on a facility like this. And why does it look like this? And why is a contractor not alive here on this site? And then we are going to announce a plan on what to do with all these facilities. Obviously, this is a case of mismanagement, and this could just be the face of corruption.
Turn this thing off.